Good afternoon. My name is Robbie Brzezinski, and I'm the assistant principal at Timmerman School in Columbia, South Carolina. The video you are about to watch is a small instructional video to help you have distance learning brought to your campus. If you are already using electronic devices in your classroom, this is in no way, shape, or form meant to replace that technology. However, what I'm going to show you are a few apps that can work on multiple devices that you can implement in your classroom starting today, that are free of charge or have very little cost associated to you as an instructor or to the administration of your school. The most important part of this video is that you implement this technology today so that your students and parents are used to utilizing this in the case that your school may have to shut down due to the coronavirus. Okay, the first app we're going to talk about is an app called Showbie, Showbie. This is accessible through any browser, any electronic device. So this is the app that we are recommending that you download to your smartphone, at least become familiar with the platform here. Right now, this is the desktop version. So I'm going to be posting several videos that will go far, much deeper into how to utilize this Dropbox. What's most important here is that you go to this website, you sign up for free. Right here's the button you'll click. You'll create an educator account. It's going to take you into a platform that it looks similar to this. It's very, very user-friendly, very easy to get to know, how to create classes, how to create assignments. Again, there's going to be a much more detailed, longer video that will be on this channel. But the most important thing, to go back to what we said earlier, is that you start doing this today during your planning period. When you go home this evening, create the account, make sure students are signing up for the account, and that you start piloting this week so that we're not going to get notice that's going to say in 7 days you'll have to do this with your class. It's probably going to be a less than 24-hour notice. So once you've logged in, you're going to create your account. And at the end of this video, when we talk about a few other apps, I would recommend that you look to the other videos on this channel for more detailed instructions on how to use everything inside of Showbie. So the second app that we're going to talk about is an app called Explain EDU, and I will have that description in the bottom of the video right now on the timeline. So I'm going to do a live recording. So I apologize for any mistakes, and we're doing this quickly with one cut each. So this is a recording of me using the iPad. The iPad is currently recording my voice and any pen strokes that I may make. So you see that in the picture-in-picture below me right now. For instance, if we were going to send a lesson to our children, and let's do a very simple math problem, 2 plus 2. Well, I can write the problem, 2 plus 2, have the children pause for a second or even pause the video. They can work out the problem, and then I can give them the answer. And you can see, unless the audio is not completely synced up with this video recording, it is synced up with the iPad. You'll see that it writes in real time. So this is a great way for children to see you work out a problem, explain something. You can import pictures. Again, this app, very user-friendly, and I'm going to click through. You can see all the different options. Downloading this is, again, going to be you doing this in advance, practicing, play around with it a little bit, and see if this would work in your classroom. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I want to reiterate that this is in no way a video that is meant to replace what you are currently using. If you have something that's working at your school, use it. It's what your parents are used to. It's what your students are used to. Most importantly, it's what you are used to. These apps that we've talked about are just an option for you to quickly and cheaply be able to implement a little bit of technology to get us through this. Thank you so much.